Embracing Filipino Catholic Parenting. Definition of parenting. Parenting is a God-given responsibility of nurturing children in love, faith, and discipline. It involves guiding them to maturity physically, emotionally, intellectually, and spiritually, while reflecting the love of God through their upbringing. According to the Old Testament, Proverbs 22:6, train the young in the way they should go, even when old, they will not swerve from it. This verse emphasizes the role of parents in instilling discipline and values in their children. Parenting is seen as covenant with God, where parents pass down the faith and God's commandments. And according to the New Testament, Ephesians 6:4, fathers, do not provoke your children to anger, but bring them up in the discipline and instruction of the Lord. This highlights the needs for loving discipline. Parenting is centered on love, forgiveness, and setting a Christ-like example for children. Now, as a future Filipino parent, being a Filipino Catholic parent means embracing the Filipino values of family-centered respect for elders and bayanihan, while integrating Catholic teachings. As a father, I envision myself as a first teacher of faith, introducing my children to prayer, sacrament, and the Word of God. A protector and provider, ensuring their physical and emotional well-being, a model of love and forgiveness, reflecting Christ in my actions and decisions. I will nurture my children to value God, family, and community, raising them to be responsible citizens and faithful Christians.